In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a recurring task in Monday.com. If you regularly need the same task to appear on a schedule, Monday.com makes that process much easier with automations. Instead of creating the same item over and over again by hand, you can set it up once and let the platform handle it for you automatically. This is especially useful for weekly check-ins, monthly reports, recurring approvals, or any task that repeats on a predictable timeline. To begin, open the Monday.com board where you want the recurring task to appear. This is important because the automation will be tied to that specific board. So make sure you are in the correct workspace and looking at the right project or task list before moving forward. Taking a moment to confirm that now can help you avoid confusion later. Once you are inside the board, click on Automations. This is where Monday.com allows you to create rules that trigger actions automatically. If you have never used this section before, don't worry. The layout is designed to guide you through the process in a simple and visual way. From there, create a custom automation or choose one of the recurring task recipes if it already matches what you need. A recipe is basically a ready-made automation template. So if you see one that fits your workflow, that can save time. If not, the custom option gives you more control over how the recurring task should behave. Next, set the schedule for the automation. You can choose how often the task should be created, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Think carefully about the timing here so the task appears when your team actually needs it. For example, a weekly task might be best created at the beginning of the work week, while a monthly task may make more sense on the first day of the month. After that, choose the item or task that should be created. This step defines exactly what Monday.com will add to the board each time the automation runs. Be sure the task name, status, owner, and any other important fields are set up clearly so the recurring item is useful the moment it appears. When everything looks right, save the automation. This activates the rule and tells Monday.com to begin following the schedule you selected. Finally, test that the recurring task appears on schedule. If possible, use a near-term test timing or review the automation settings carefully to confirm everything is working as expected. A quick test helps you catch setup mistakes early and gives you confidence that the recurring task will appear automatically moving forward. And that's how to set up a recurring task in Monday.com.